Today in crypto. The first Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF, launched in the United States and smashed records on Tuesday, capturing close to $1 billion in total volume. Eric Balchunas, the senior ETF analyst for Bloomberg, said that the Proshares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, BITO, definitely defied expectations. Proshares Bitcoin ETF commands serious volume. Proshares Bitcoin Strategy Exchange-Traded Fund, BITO, did well on its first day, as it closed the day at 4 p.m. EDT, at $41.94 per unit. Meanwhile, the price of Bitcoin, BTC, soared on Tuesday, tapping a high of $64,367 on the crypto exchange Bitstamp 15 minutes after the closing bell on Wall Street. As the ETF shares swapped hands on the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, bito reached a daily high of over $42. Bloomberg intelligence analyst James Safer tweeted at the end of the day, "Looks like the final tally is gonna be right around $990 million in trading for bito on its first day trading." Eric Balchunas, the senior ETF analyst for Bloomberg, also tweeted about the action the Proshares Bitcoin Strategy ETF saw on Tuesday. Bito just about $1 billion in total volume today, $993 million, but trades still trickling in, Balchunas said. Easily the biggest day one of any ETF in terms of natural volume. It also traded more than 99.5% of all ETFs, including some big ones, like DL, ARKK, SLV. It definitely defied our expectations. The analyst added, if we don't exclude ETFs where their day one volume was literally one pre-planned giant investor buy, not natural, it still ranks number 2 overall. Here's that list. The reason some of these shouldn't be included IMO is they don't really represent grassroots interest. While the Proshares Bitcoin ETF had a decent day, Bitcoin, BTC, spot markets also rampaged on October 19. BTC's market cap swelled over $1.2 trillion on Tuesday and reached $42.4 billion in global trade volume throughout the day. Balchunas stressed that the result of today's first Bitcoin ETF performance in the U.S. makes life that much harder for the next in-line ETFs to succeed. He added, every day counts, because, once an ETF gets known as the one and has tons of liquidity, it's virtually impossible to steal. See SPY, GLD. Balchunas concluded, what does this mean for assets? My guess is about half of this volume will end up as flows next 2 days. Probably, looking at $750 million, by end of week, something like that. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.